If you're looking for a completely all-natural facial cleanser made with just 2 ingredients to keep your skin fresh, then you'll want to try these. If you deal with super oily skin on the regular, go for a mix of tomato pulp with a pinch of turmeric. Tomato is a natural source of salicylic acid and is a natural astringent too. So it'll help dry out the excess sebum and fight any oil-related breakouts. Turmeric will help fight any dullness that comes along with greasy skin and give you the glow you're looking for. If your skin is getting duller by the day and you're starting to see some wrinkles, try making a paste of rice flour and milk. Rice flour has super brightening and anti-aging properties, and the small grains of flour will physically exfoliate while the lactic acid in milk will break down dead skin. Oil cleansing is actually a super effective way to get rid of impurities while nourishing your skin. Just mix 1 tablespoon of any non-comedogenic oil with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. The combination of 2 light oils will actually help balance your skin while dissolving oil-based dirt. After massaging your face with it, gently wipe off the oil with a damp towel instead of rinsing. This super potent mixture is sure to zap away your pimples after continued use. So it's perfect for extremely acne-prone skin. Make a paste of your favorite clay and some apple cider vinegar and use it to cleanse in circular motions. Clay helps to clear out your pores and dry out active acne, and the ACV will balance your skin's pH level and banish pimple-causing bacteria. Physical exfoliation is a thing of the past. Instead, try this gentle chemically exfoliating smoothie. Mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of pineapple pulp and massage it into your skin. Not only will this make you smell like a tropical vacation, but the bromelain in pineapples will dissolve any gunk in your skin and the yogurt will soothe and hydrate it. If you have skin that turns red or itchy easily and doesn't react all that well to a lot of ingredients, go for a super gentle combination of cold green tea and honey. Green tea is an antioxidant that will make your skin glow, and honey is a natural humectant, which means it'll keep your skin looking dewy all day long. Now that you know about these amazing natural cleansers, you're on your way to clearer and healthier skin. Tell us which one you'll be trying out in the comments below, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.